This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner. We have that pocket done, and now I want to show you how I'm going to create the true Dutch doors. I call this the true Dutch doors because if you have Dutch doors on your home, it is an upper and a lower door that can open separately or together. So I'm using a metal ruler, which is my Coffee Monster ruler. You can use I do recommend definitely metal because then nothing will wave, but you can use any metal straight edge to do this. I have chosen where I want this to split, and there we go, all done. Next is to create the overlapping tabs while I'm decorating. I got a little sidetracked on that at this moment, only because I wanted to start the idea of laying down the decorations. What is my plan for this? I am planning that the top, back and front, or front and back, will be for one day, the bottom, front and back for the next. If it winds up being shorter, I'll have 4 days. Works either way. One of the ways that you can decorate this also is to do a washi down the center and then split that. But I want to create tabs. So I've used this sticker to create a tab. I have chosen where I wanted it, cut the backing off, and laid it down so that the backing stays in the area that I want to quote unquote use it as a tab. And now I'm going to continue to use other items to decorate the tab area and create a second tab on the back. Using the leftover backing tape from the first tabbed sticker, I'm going to place it on the back of this one, mainly because the backing on these stickers are a clear plastic back, and I didn't want to use that. So after pulling everything off, I'm going around right now and cutting out the leftover of the backing so that I can use it. And it's nice and clean. Bringing the pages together, let's lay that out and place it down. And now it is perfect as a backing tab. Now here is where the craziness begins. I did speed this up mainly because of the thought process of how I wanted to lay out the rest of both of these pages. It did take me some time. If you want to see the full setup for April, please go take a look because the video has been released already. Overlapping to create a look with your stickers and decorations is a great thing. You can see here that I wanted to start doing the overlap for the lower part of this accurate Dutch door. Unfortunately, when I laid this sticker down, I did lay it down not within the sticker on the front. So I'm carefully removing it. And if you are removing any of your stickers, the best way to keep it from tearing the page or tearing the sticker is to keep your finger against the sticker and the page and roll. Shift your finger and keep rolling. That way you don't destroy both, and you can reuse it, as you can see here. I shifted it over, and now it is laying beautifully with the first tab on the lower part. And the decoration of this matches with the first or the top page. And a lot of the times, this is what you want to do when you're doing Dutch doors. Match from bottom to top, or if you have taken a edging off, you want to match below that page so that it works together. The last thing I'm doing right now is using the strips from the strips or striping pages to add a little bit of a notification of where those doors are. Again, you could use a washi tape, lay those out, and then a straight blade and cut that out, or even your scissors and cut that out. Now, I would have done that, but I know me, and I've gone to all of this effort to put those tabs in, and I would have accidentally cut those off. So I did not do that this time. I hope you give this a try. I hope this is something that will inspire you, as when Catherine did this, it inspired me. If you want to know a little bit more on Dutch doors, I would definitely go to YouTube and just put in the search parameter, planning with Dutch doors or Dutch doors planning. You're going to find a lot of information and a lot of encouragement and inspiration. It is truly a lot of fun, and yes, I just said that. So here I'm just finishing up the front page using the same strips. Sometimes things will overlap or go to the different areas. Make sure that you do have some tweezers, maybe some scissors, again, a straight edge, just to make life that little bit easier. Thanks for joining me. Have fun with your Dutch doors.